Okay, I'm going to make a short video here of what happened to the picker. I didn't get it before we got all that snow. I left my bag of strudel up there on the truck. I got to remember that. It's supposed to snow again tomorrow now, so I figure I better do this before it gets totally buried. This is what happened to the picker. Alright, it's broke here. And it broke here. You can see it there. Now that is the first attempt at a repair I had done, which failed, and I'll show you why it failed. This is just incidental damage here with the mount for the guard here. But this had broken loose, and the top of the gearbox had broken loose here. You can see what New Idea did is they braced to the gearbox casting. That was a drilled and tapped hole. Now I thought I had gotten a good repair on that and bolted back to it. I should not have done that because the repair failed there, which caused this to bend forward again. But what I didn't know was, let's see if we can see it back in here. See down in there? That had broken down there, and I did not know it. Let's see if we can get a good focus on there. I did not know that was broken down there, so that did not get welded back together, and I wouldn't have been able to get in there to do it anyway with the husking bed one. So in order to fix this right, I'm going to dismount the husking bed by pulling those pins out. There's more on the other side you can't see. And pulling this off, and gonna repair this. I'm probably gonna cut the pieces off the parts picker and just replace this whole part here instead of trying to weld that busted up metal back together down there. That may change when I get in there for a closer inspection. And I do have a spare gearbox, so I have to dismount the fan drive here and the drive pulley so I can get underneath there to get that out of there and changed. And while the husking bed's off, the parts picker actually has a better elevator on it, because this is the one that got crinkled when the wagon broke loose. And the parts picker has that brace that you can barely see down in there, the one that I have cobble jobbed with the welder. That brace is in better shape, so while this is off, I can get it flipped up in the air part way and blocked up, so I got room to work underneath there and change all that so that it is ready to roll again. So yeah, if I only had a shop that was big enough to get this thing into, but I don't. Gotta wait for the snow to melt. So that's that regarding this picker. So thanks for watching.